This week, it's from BMW. It's the M240i. This is iDrive 7. You've got the 8-speed automatic selector and a row of buttons along here, including the park button. Right, now we'll test the parking. Okay, it's found a spot. I'm going to select it. I'm going to take my foot off the brake and off the accelerator. So I'm not doing a thing. The car's doing it all for me. And you can see up here what the car's seeing. So it's going to park in that spot. It's selecting the gears. It's doing everything for it. And will hopefully park between the two cars all by itself. And it'll stop right at the end of the lane. It'll turn the car off and put it into park.